feel the excitement in the air? Can you feel the excitement in the air? Can you feel the excitement in the air? No.
Welcome to Live Sunrise Beach Yoga.
Exhilarating, and just knowing that we're all together with this beautiful energy, putting it out into the universe is my gift for here and now.
Love and love and love and love. It's just a beautiful, lovely day.
Sunrise Beach Yoga really wakes me up in the morning and gets me energized, and I can't wait to get here on Fridays. Thank you.
Feeling so refreshed and just anew for this Friday and ready for next week.
Happiness, love, balance.
This is my first time and I'm enjoying it. It brings so much joy to my life. Thank you, Athena.
Join us in our live Sunrise Beach Yoga every Friday, right on live YouTube, where we feel the elements around us when we're on the beach, engulfing this beautiful sensation of earth, wind, warmth of the sun, fire, ocean, sound, calming the body.
What a wonderful way to start your day with peace and serenity.
We invite you to join our live Sunrise Beach Yoga groups to get the latest updates on what's going on Facebook. Oh, the places we'll go. Woohoo! Oh, the places we'll go. Yoga, living life, loving it to the fullest. Woohoo!